When precision matters most in your legal work, Rev's human transcription delivers the 99% plus accuracy and reliability you need. Whether you're already using our platform or need occasional transcription services, Rev gives you flexible options to get human verified transcripts. Let's get started. So first and foremost, on the homepage here, top right-hand button, you see the plus add, and you can select human transcripts right there. The second way is in the quick links down here on the bottom left, and you can order human transcription right there. The third way is within the file system, whether you are in recent files or whether you're anywhere in your My Files section. Also, in workspaces, this works as well. You see the three dots here. You can click on them and say start an order. The final way is when you're actually in a file itself. You can, in the top right, click on File Details, and you have the ability to upgrade to Human Verified right there. All right, now that we have the 4 different ways of accessing human transcription ordering down pat, let's look at the actual order process. So when I start an order and I select human transcripts, I'm presented with 5 main options here. And these can be toggled on a file-to-file basis based on your specific needs. So whether you want timestamps included or not, whether you want verbatim, the filler words, the uhs and ums included or not. You can rush your order to have up to a 5 times faster return delivery. You have the ability to have a second pass transcriptionist. So this is a secondary human that will check the first transcriptionist work. And then finally, you can also include burned in time codes this way. So once you have your options selected, you hit continue, and you'll have the payment method here. That's going to be the credit card that you have on file, and you hit submit order, and that's it. You will see the pending status, and the process will start right away. And if you don't yet have a Rev account, it's still really easy to get your transcripts ordered and processed straight away. So all you got to do is go to the Rev website, click on pricing, and there'll be a link right here. You can click on that. You can select human transcription, order human transcripts. Here you can go ahead and upload your file or files that you need transcribed, or paste a URL, either or. Click upload here, drag and drop what you need to have transcribed. One file, many files, a whole folder of files, does not matter. And once that upload is complete, it's going to take you through a very similar ordering process that you saw just moments ago. And that's it. Whether you're upgrading from AI transcription within the Rev platform or ordering human verified services by the minute from our website, Rev makes it easy. We're dropping new videos all the time, so subscribe and don't miss out on anything. See you next time.